Hello and welcome everyone to Variety Stick 2, and we back again for another video. Now, for whatever reason, sometimes the phone glitch or has a blink screen or frozen screen. I want you to do this before you send it back to warranty or insurance or take it back to the store. Let's find out. Now, for many users, I just realized specific apps cause the phone to glitch and freeze sometimes. The Moto G Stylus 5G 2022 model doesn't have removable battery. Normally, if the phone gets stuck, you remove the battery, put it back, turn the phone on, and you are good to go. But since the battery non-removable, it might be a little bit harder for you to remove the battery. But I'm gonna give you this tip. I want you to try before you consider any other thing. Now, here's what I need from you. If your phone is frozen, don't worry. Just make sure your phone has juice, is charged up. Alright? So press together the volume up and the power key and hold and don't let it go. Maybe you need to continue pressing for around 10 seconds. And the phone must restart. How you know restarts? You might start seeing this logo, and the phone must reboot the system again. Now, hopefully that this doesn't happen again, but if it does, try to look to your app, see if there is a specific app causing this glitch. It might be the reason why your phone was frozen. Now, if that doesn't work, you just need to consider take it to a repair shop, warranty, insurance, whatever you think will be the best for you. I wish you guys find this video helpful. If it did, thumbs up, subscribe for more. We'll talk to you in the next video.